Abaseminari batano noyomo nigo babekerwa amaboko na gusabirwa bene na koba abadikon amo no Bishop Joseph Mairura worogongo rwa Kisii. Nyuma atara ababekera amaboko mu Bishop Joseph Mairura na erera ake omodikon ningo asekelisia ya Katoliki na boigo egasia enereri.
What diaconate is all about? The word deacon is derived from the Greek diakonos, which means servant, waiting man, minister, or messenger. So you are going to be messengers, my dear friends. You are going to help the parish priest in his work, the bishop in his work. You are messengers. Clearly that the deacon is called to serve as a minister or a messenger at the call of a priest. They will be allowed to baptize, but to baptize with the permission of the parish priest, because the parish priest is the custodian of sacraments in his parish. So he will give permission to his curate, to the deacon, to do something like this. Especially marriages, it is actually the parish priest who should do them. But because there are many duties, you can delegate. So they will witness marriages, perform funerals and burial services outside Mass, distribute Holy Communion, preach the homily, and have an obligation to pray the divine office daily.
Nigo ababekera amaboko na kubaganiria amaya asate abo dikon nigo akoire metenye tano nomo goseinse ye metenye iyo elio oako amabuta oba omusasiroti.
Basi Mungu aliyeanzisha ndani kazi hiyo njema mwenyewe aikamilishe. Amina. Transitory deacons are on their way to the second order of priesthood. After the canonical 6 months is given, or less, 6 months or less, as the bishop would permit, I can reduce them. They will be ordained priests.
Omo Bishop Mairura nigo airari baga wakira Nyasaye mbuyamono ase okumurenda obukoreri we myaka 30 noyomo buna omo Bishop Ogusi.
Wakira Nyasaye buya ase ngenchantorete ko umusasiroti korwali bwekanya ko etendegetai. Onye Yesu Kristo ikera ai buli kucha sense ta bwate kendega ai na tweso gwe kyombe. Marangeta lingoro. You see, God wants miracles. Very simple, but then He raises you up to do His work. That's what I've done for many years, 31 years, without wavering.
Kuripotera Getembe Television Network Parish, Kisii County, Wycliffe Tyson.